Introduce you to the EduTouch SX Interactive Touch Panel. What you see in front of you is the home screen. You'll notice that we have the date and time. We have 4 icons on the front: File, Whiteboard, a browser, and a place we can get our apps. On both sides, you'll see that there's an arrow. They open up when tapped the sidebar, which has 5 functions. Also, you'll notice that in the bottom corners, and if we just slide up, there are some tools. So they are in both corners. It doesn't matter which way you go, they're exactly the same. Doing the same thing and sliding up from the center will show you the source menu. So if you actually have a PC built in, then you'll notice when the PC is turned on, there'll be a dot, a blue dot. If you have a laptop that is connected with HDMI, then you will notice that there'll be a blue dot underneath that. The way that you can move very quickly and simply between your laptop that's connected with HDMI and the panel is go to the source menu, click on the HDMI option. It'll have the blue dot under it. You'll see that it will come up and display what happens to be on the screen. And then to go back to the panel, you go back to the sidebar and you click on the home option. So that's the way you can very quickly and easily move between the panel and a laptop. The home screen is actually customizable, and by clicking on one of the 3 options, the File, Whiteboard, or Browser, as a long press, so not a quick click because that will open it, but holding it for a long press, you'll notice it opens up another screen where you are able to add additional applications to the home screen. So for example, if we wanted to add eShare, which is the wireless screen sharing that we have that's incorporated on the panel, you will just click on the plus and you'll see that it adds. Now, just clicking away from that dialog box, you'll now notice that eShare is added to the home screen. To take it away, you would just do the same thing, a long press, click on the minus at the top, and then we can click away.